How to increase spending limit on Instagram ads. So if you want to increase the spending limit on your Instagram apps, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Instagram application at first. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option, and make sure that you have a professional account. Go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And here you just need to simply scroll down and you need to find the option of orders and payments. So just scroll down and find it. Or if you don't find that, you can simply go with search, and under search you can search for orders and payments. Just tap on it. So here you will have the payment methods section. Just tap on it. Once you're in your payment method section, note that the options may vary depending on the payment method you have added. Some payment methods may not offer the limit feature. If you don't see the option, you can go to help and support a request to remove your limit. By searching for limit, you'll see a list of options. You can simply go and search for it and just go and report it to your Instagram. But if you have the option right here, then you just need to simply go with the spending limit, and then you can increase your spending limit on your Instagram ads. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.